Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome guys. I'm so happy to be once again here with you guys. I hope everybody is keeping safe. Hope everybody is doing well. By the grace of God, I'm so happy back to be here and to have you guys here viewing my video, guys. I'm so appreciative that you take the time out to actually watch my videos, guys. So thank you guys. For those of you who haven't subscribed as yet, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together, guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, because when you thumbs up the video, guys, YouTube actually recommend my videos to other people. So please give that video a thumbs up, guys. Comment down below, because that's how we can communicate together. So comment down below, guys. Let me know how you are liking the content and how I can improve for you guys, because this is not only to entertain you, but this is also to motivate us all to get through our days, guys, and to show you how I do my stuff on a budget, guys. So I'm also hoping to inspire you guys. So please, guys, continue to like, thumbs up. Please share me to other mamas as well, guys, so that I can grow, guys. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers before the year end, guys. So please help me get there, guys. So again, thank you guys, love you guys, and hope you continue to enjoy this content. And don't forget to leave a comment.
Until tomorrow, it's fading now. I don't know when you're young, you out there, still our eyes on you, they're watching over. Keep your composure, be your controller. Circle round and round we went, could you take me home again? Fireworks all in your eyes, telling me that it's alright. Till the clock runs out of eyes on you. When the sun goes down, it's just too soon. Won't you take me away? Oh, I can't refuse it. Give me your soul before you lose it.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall, make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up.
Guys, this soap dispenser, right? I just love it. It is so convenient, so easy to clean. And guys, when you fill it up, you just take a while before you could refill it again, guys, because the right amount of squeeze just come up on the sponge, so you don't waste in anything. So guys, this is such a good investment to have. I so love it, guys. I really do, because it's saving me on coins, guys. It really does. So if you can get one, guys, get one, because trust me, you're gonna love it too.
Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost. Addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost. Addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love.
Baby, can you pray, pray tonight? Baby, can you pray, pray for us? Oh baby, can you pray? 'Cause every time you make time, it's only to the end. So pray tonight. So you won't for every run that we had, Mr. Right, and I knew it. But I'll be ready every day. You know everything's alright. Are we gonna pray? Are you gonna pray?
Alright guys, so as you see, I'm just adding this clean inside of the water, guys. Now guys, my cleaning supplies are very limited. All I do when I'm cleaning, guys, I use bleach, I use this clean, sometimes I use pine, depending on where I pick up at the time at the supermarket, according to my budget. And that's it, guys. And I use vinegar, guys. That is it. I don't see the need to expense myself to buy all those fancy cleaning stuff, guys, because to me it's just a waste of money at times and it's not necessary. Back in the day when we younger, guys, and we parents cleaning, we grandmother cleaning, all I used to see them using is bleach, and sometimes they go use vinegar depending on what they cleaning and when they cleaning. So guys, and the other thing that is new to see them using is like Sif and Ajax. So them is the thing I just keep myself using, guys. I keep that traditional way, guys, because all these other things that we spending up money on, guys, is, to me, is just not necessary. So that is what you guys see me using, guys. When you see me use the spray bottle, it's just some bleach and water is in the spray bottle, and depends on where I'm spraying, cleaning. Sometimes I just use strictly vinegar. So on the floor here today, I'm just using this to clean, guys, in my water, because the floor is not that dirty. When the floor is really dirty, I would actually add a little bleach to it, but today, guys, it's just a quick clean, so I didn't add any.
We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't wanna hold you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I can't find the words to keep you, but I don't think I want to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Tuesday, I'm all alone, but then you called my phone. You said, baby, I'm sorry, I'm on the road. I don't wanna hold you back, but I know that you're coming home. I know that you're coming.
Alright, guys, so here I done whole afresh, had my bath. So here I'm about to fix breakfast, guys. Everybody has done eat, guys. It was just me and my boyfriend. So the 3 egg that I had boiled earlier, that is what I'm gonna do here now. We're gonna have this. I just add cheese, guys, to my egg salad sometimes when I do it up, guys. In my case today, I have a lot of sliced cheese, so instead of using regular cheese grated, I just decided to use one of the sliced cheese to add to it, guys. It's just get a cake, guys. I just love to add cheese to it. So it's just for me and him. So that is what I'm preparing here. And as you see, I made my tea, guys. I like to drink just like ginger tea or anything so upon a morning at this kind of time. When I do sometimes I feel like for coffee, but this morning most morning I just drink tea bag, guys, or fresh ginger tea or anything like that, guys. So that is what you see me preparing here. So yeah.
I got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo!
Alright guys, so this was later in the night and I wanted to do banana bread with those banana that you see earlier that I had on the fridge before. I didn't want to throw them out, so I decided to do a quick banana bread here guys. So that is what I'm doing.
Don't be afraid to let go, just a little bit more. Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Artificial love, we just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was,
Alright guys, so here is the bread. It is still warm guys, and as you can see guys, it's soft. They are soft guys. This is how it looking. It comes straight out the pan easy. Soft guys. So you cut into one now guys, and let you see. Ready? Guys, it's so soft guys. I barely got be moving the knife, and perfect guys. Look at that. Perfect guys, perfect. Moist, soft, succulent banana bread guys. Guys, my kids can't wait to get into these. So
the next day.
alright guys, so this is the next day, and I'm actually gonna be preparing some hash brown for my family guys. Now guys, this is ways that I do stuff guys, so that we don't have to be using a lot of bread and flour, because I'm trying all my best in this household for us to wean off of that, not use too much of those kind of stuff. So this is a very convenient breakfast, cheap and easy, that will feed a large family guys. And I also have sausage in the fridge guys. I had 3 little sausage, and there's another way guys you can implement leftovers. You could stretch your food by doing things like this for your family guys, because all I did was grate the 3 sausage in here guys, and that was it for breakfast for us guys. We just ate these just as they were. I didn't add another side to it or anything like that guys, and it was so delicious. So guys, I'm so happy that I could do these kind of things to show you guys, to show you mamas, and to inspire you guys to try them, or even put your own little twist to them and do things for your family, save a buck guys, and make delicious meals. So I hope you do enjoy.
just mess it up. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up. Cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. official love.
Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we get free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You can take me higher, you stay close to me. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't cloud my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't cloud my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we get free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just wanna breathe. You take me higher, you stay close to me. I feel so alive, feel so alive.
I just throw the milk in here, making another 2 liters of yogurt. So here is the 2 box that I just emptied in there, guys. So I'm just gonna let it boil, then we're gonna let it cool to the temperature that we need, and then the flavor yogurt I have, guys, is the same Yoplait probiotic one, and this one is the mixed berry one. So you don't know, we just strain it. Yeah, guys, so it's actually at room temperature already, because I had it out since morning. So just putting on the milk there, guys. Here there's some corned beef I got in the boiling. I'm going to add the pasta to that now. We're just cooking up some pasta and corned beef quick to eat, and that is going to be lunch today, guys. Alright, guys, so welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well, guys. Today's just a tired day for me, just a relaxation day. From the previous part of the clip, you would see me do breakfast. Then I had a client that I did her hair from home. I finished she around about minutes to 1, and then I came and I did, from the clip you see as well, I did some quick macaroni and corned beef. I not had that. It is now 2:45, guys, and as you see too, I boiled the milk for the yogurt, guys. Yogurt is a hit in my home, and I'm just so glad that I found that recipe in how to do it yourself. So guys, I ain't going back doing it. I'm not going back buying it. Like, guys, it is too cheap to make it yourself, and I have five will be eating from it, so it's cheaper for me. So I'm gonna be doing it from home. So the milk is ready now, guys. Actually, I went downstairs. I went in my room and I was eating, and I just got delinquent by being on YouTube and forget I had the milk cooling, so it had passed. It had went back too cool. So what I did, I put it back in the pot and just reheated it. So I have it. I just straight back in the bowl, you know. So don't let me talk too much. Let me get to this, guys, because it's at the temperature I need to mix in the yogurt now. So let me do that. Alright, guys, so remember that I've been telling you guys that once you put your finger in here and count, guys, you know the milk is ready. It is quite warm, and the flavor again I'm using is mixed berry, guys. Honestly, it didn't really matter the flavor you use once it have live culture in it, guys. And guys, I wanted to show you this, to show you the texture of the yogurt that we just be buying. I know sometimes it's get the thick one, but look at this texture here, guys. Look at that. I want you to see, so that when I make my yogurt, guys, it come out the same thickness and everything, guys. Same texture, guys. Because when the yogurt go warm, this texture is coming out. So know that this is how your yogurt can come out, guys. Okay. So we're just gonna add it, guys, to guys. And remember, no metal when you're going to be mixing your yogurt. You cannot use anything metal. It has to be plastic or wooden utensils after. So you mix in this, guys. Alright guys, you're going to get a little clumps in it because you know those play yogurt actually have the see the yogurt, the mixed berries in it. So you want to mix in this very, very well. And then we're gonna strain it into our container. Now guys, like you could left this in that container because it have a lid, but I want to strain it, guys, because my churning and like it with the fruits in it like that. So I'm gonna be straining mine, and I'm actually gonna be setting it in this bowl, guys, because this bowl actually set it well last time. It was in. If I'm mixing more, guys, I would actually use the bigger container, but this one holds quite good. Okay, we want to make sure we get everything in there except for the clumps of fruits. All right. Alright guys, so that's well mixed in. It's still warm and good. So now guys, because I am intending to make yogurt, guys, I had planned to buy a blanket for this, but I have not as yet. So what I decided I would use, I have some old sheet here, guys, and pillowcases that I'm actually going to be throwing out. So what I say I'm gonna do is, until I buy the blanket, I'm gonna actually use these to cover it, guys. And this will be going in my oven, guys. The last time, guys, when I had actually did this, I had set it the same time around here, guys, 3 o'clock, guys. So, and then I came and I look at it in the morning around 7. So that is the same thing I am going to be doing here, guys. So 7 o'clock in the morning I will be seeing you, guys. This is the old sheet here that I have here. So I'm gonna fold it in two, guys. I'm just showing you that I don't have to get nothing special. You know, this is old sheets, something that I had it to go on in a bag that I had to go on to throw out. And this is what I'm gonna just be wrapping it in to keep it warm. So you don't have to have nothing special. I just decided that I want to get one of those blanket I see that they have in town selling for $30. Those little chow blanket. One of them will do fine in this case, especially when the place is real cool and you want to make a yogurt. So now, guys, see, 2 old pillowcase and 1 old sheet, guys. Wrap it up very good. This is gonna keep it warm, and we're gonna put it in our oven, guys. Normally what I just do, guys, I just light the oven for a few seconds and then take it off, because my oven don't have a light. But if your oven have a light, guys, all you have to do is keep on the light and just put it inside. The light will keep in the good temperature. So what I just do, the place is quite hot, guys, right now. So I'm just gonna light the oven for a few seconds, then I'm gonna put it inside of there, and then I'll come back in the morning and show you what we're working with.
The next day.
Alright guys, so this is another day. This is the morning time, and I decided this morning I did some bakes and some corned beef for breakfast. So that is what I'm sharing out here individually for everybody, guys. And then we're gonna check on the yogurt, guys.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall.